Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to add all the languages to Chrome on your PC. In this guide, we'll show you the simple steps to customize your language preferences in Chrome. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the three dots icon and then select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. On the left side of the Settings page, click on Languages. Step 4. Under the Preferred Languages section, click on Add Languages. Step 5. A list of available languages will appear. Select the languages that you want to add to Chrome. Step 6. Once you've made your selections, click on Add to add the chosen languages to Chrome. By following these simple steps, you can easily customize and add multiple languages to Chrome on your PC. This feature is particularly useful when browsing websites that offer content in different languages. Remember, Chrome will prioritize your preferred language when a web page is available in multiple languages.